Right. Okay, okay lang.
Good morning. It's climbing day today. Let's go. Hi, Macy. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. It's a really nice day today, though. Andito na tayo. It's so early, wala pa masyadong tao, which is nice. Para siyang kasing dami ng tao kapag closing time na. First time ni CL, so nagsa-sign up siya ngayon. Inaantay namin yung safety briefing ni CL. Tingnan natin kung paano si CL mag-safety briefing. Okay, warm up. This is my first climb. I have to make every hold count. Looks like a bad hold. This one for sure is slippery. Oh, it's not slippery. Okay, I can trust this. Hold myself up, switch my foot. The second hold is not gonna be a good hold. Yup, I knew it. And this, oh my god. Okay, just put my foot up here and grip this thing hard. Match my foot on this hold and just trust this grip and grab. Oh, it's actually a good hold. Let me just put my foot here and then where does my other feet go? Hello? Where do I go next? Oh, dito pala. Okay, so I guess I just have to push myself. Ooh, okay, it's actually a good hold. I'm too high now. Hello? Do I jump? Oh, why are we zooming in my butt? Oh my god. This is bad.
This is so bad.
This is so bad.
Oh, whoa! What the?
Whoa! Go Mots! Go see it. Nice one! Nag-aaral sila maging akyat bahay, if you guys don't know already. Ready ka na maging akyat bahay? Hindi ko kaya. Ano hindi mo kaya? Nagawa mo nga eh. Kaya mo yan. Ito paborito ko. Yung yellow holds, paborito ko yan. Mati's attempting this blue. Ayan, yan. Oh, damn! So nice! Go, Mots! Hinga! Mots, sayang!
Baba, yan, yung kanan.
Sira ulo si Moti, pinapatry kay CL yung black. Oh! Kapag nagawa ni CL to, hihiyaw ako. Sige, tumapa ka dyan, yung right foot mo. Yan. Tama. Oh! Ang galing mo! Gago, ang galing! Nice one! Galing! Go, Mots! Yan! Go, Mots! Tiptoe! Yan! Kaya mo yan! No! Go! Ano ba yan mo? Sayang! Ayan na!
Step na siya.
Nice! Galing! Tingnan natin, Mots.
Okay, yan.
Go, CL! Oh, ina-analyze na niya, gabi. Galing, oh. Ayan na. Go, CL!
What happened?
Isa pa, kaya mo yan. Go, CL! Oh! Nasa sa'yo ginagawa.
Right. Okay, okay lang.
Go, Mots! Tangkad kasi ni Moti, ang duga, nakakainis. Go, Mots! Hinga, hinga.
Oh, straighten your arms. Rest muna.
Rest, rest.
Straighten your arms.
Oh. Ginawa ni Moti itong block na to. Nalaglag siya. Pinakalas na sayang. Here's the clip.
Bro, Moti's so strong. What the fuck? This is unfair. Okay lang.
Gulat ako.
Natakot siya. Takot ka?
Ugang ko. Umaabot yung kapit ko.
Natakot siya.
Abot na dapat yun eh.
Gusto daw subukan ni CL. Wag na talaga. CL, wag na talaga. Nag-sign ka nga ng waiver.
Okay lang yan. Hindi nga ako mauntog.
Oh! Mauntog ka lang. Oh! Go, CL! Kaya mo yan! Oh! Tinatry ko i-figure out tong climb na to, but for some reason, I can't get past the second to the last hold. Kasi super overhang siya. I have to let go of my left arm to grab the right arm immediately and just hang there to send it. And I don't know if I'm strong enough. Ang hirap nun. Bakit? I can't figure out where I put my foot. Pero this is why videos help. Kasi now I know where I'm supposed to put my foot. Oh! Si CL tinatry. Go, CL! Hirap, no? Magagawa mo yan. Matangkad ka eh. Buga. Pag ganun kasi yung wall, pag ganun siya. Si Moti naman daw. Let's see. Gago! Ang sayang. Lagi kang ganyan. Lagi di mo natatapos. Magpahinga ka muna. Ako naman. Hi guys, it's 2 p.m. sakto right now. It's lunch break muna kasi sobrang pagod na kami. And I'm hungry AF. I need to work for a little bit. I'm still resting kasi ang sakit na talaga nung kamay ko. I'm done working. I got this. Okay, I took enough rest. Dapat magawa ko na to. Kapag di ko to magawa, basta kailangan lang bilisan ko. Gusto ginawa ng mabilis, okay, basta mabilis ako. Okay, I just have to swing here, tapos kailangan mabilis ako. Wait, ano gagawin ko? So I put my foot up here and then swing, and then okay, kailangan mabilis. Agad ako. Just push, swing, grab. Okay, this is a good hold. Ilagay ko yung paa ko. Oh my god, nakalimutan ko sa ilalim isa pa. Oh my god. Okay, this is a good hold. I just slowly reach, and then alam ko na to. Paa here, and then yung paa dun sa left. Okay, I've never gotten this. Oh my god. Okay, wait, I have to switch my hold here. Okay, ito na yun. I just have to grab it. I just have to grab it really slow. Yes! Okay, but now what? Hindi ko lang kung saan lalagay pa ako. Kaya ba sa wall? Nope. Kaya dito? Nope. Okay, nangangalin ako. I just have to grab and reach. Okay, pwede na yun. Okay, I just have to go down.
That's a sand. That's a sand in my boat.
That was so scary. Ang taas nun. Yung impact sa paa ko, parang it was like shocking almost. Sabi niya, it wasn't a sand, it was a sand. Ay, pwede na yun? Okay na to? After climbing that super sketchy red tag, tinaray ko naman tong black tag and sobrang sakit hawakan nung volume sa second to the last hold. The second to the last hold really hurts. Like, super sakit. Here, kasi super ipit siya. Tapos para siyang, ewan ko, para siyang hinihiwa niya yung kamay ko. Ang sakit, grabe. Tinry ko ulit siya for like 2-3 times, pero hindi na talaga kaya. Pagod na ako. Naiinis na ako. I got scraped too. Ang bigat. I feel like I need more rest. This was my last try, and oh my god, I'm proud of myself for even trying.
No!
But I don't think I'll be able to do it this session. Kasi my hands are giving up on me. Like, super sakit na nung kamay ko. Oh, that means I have to come back and do it. Ayoko pa naman ayoko magkaroon ng project. Kasi ayoko ma-addict. Pero addict na talaga ako. I can't even deny it. Okay, session done. Kamusta ka?
Hindi ko masagad.
What do you guys think about my eyebrows?
Fake.
Perfect. Perfectly fake.
I have perfect eyebrows.
Oh my god, it's actually perfect.
This is done. This is eyebrows done. This is naturally perfect eyebrows.
Obviously natural because it has so many ano.
That's all natural.
Battle of the eyebrows. Sino daw may pinaka-perfect na eyebrows?
Bye, squad!
7 na ngayon. Kanina pa kaming 1, 12 nandoon. So anyways, we're gonna go eat now. I think this is the end of the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye! Next time ulit.
Ah, pucha yun. Next year na muna.